Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set, and we'll grow Truewants together. There's also right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you press that thumbs up, and I really hope that you do, it means that you're enjoying my content and you're telling YouTube to put my video in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. It will turn blue and the number will increase, and that's you telling YouTube to check me out. All right? Okay, here we go. Really excited because this is a new box to me and to the channel, and it's one that I've had my eye on for a while. I started getting some PR from Glossy Box, and they're all under this same umbrella of this very large corporation. And Look Fantastic is another one of the boxes that's under that umbrella. And I was so pleased when they reached out to me because, as I mentioned to you with Glossy Box, Look Fantastic is even the limited edition boxes that I have seen come through those two boxes have always had my eyes on them. And I started looking prior to even getting this box in PR at Look Fantastic and Glossy Box because the prices of their boxes I think are very reasonable. What was stopping me was it was being shipped out of the UK, it's an international ship. And I was always concerned about that. So when the box arrived, I checked everything. There is nothing to worry about. It is free shipping. It comes like through the post office. It is just fantastic. It also comes in a brown box with the beautiful box inside, so you never have to worry of anything. It just looks so beautiful. And with Look Fantastic, just like with Glossy Box, the actual box is such a piece of art. I am so impressed with this. These are definitely keepsake boxes, and if you're gifting this to anybody, it is a fantastic gift. These usually run around $19 a month, but because they set me up, what they offered was a fantastic deal if you use my link. It's simple. They have it for $1 for the first box when you sign up for a year. But what's great about Look Fantastic as well as the other box, Glossy Box, from what I saw and what I understand, is that even though you sign up for the year, you're not paying for it ahead of time. You are solely paying for it monthly. So your first month will be $1, and then every additional month I think will be $16. But go on the link, check it, read everything, make sure you're comfortable with it, ask the questions, but that's my understanding. And like I said, I think this is a phenomenal deal. So I want to make sure to share it with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the outside of the box, and inside the box it is just stunning. It comes beautifully wrapped. It has the crinklies inside. And as you know, on my channel, I always open up everything prior to filming to make sure that everything that should be in the box is in the box, and that I'm able to sit down here and take off any tags or anything or any wrapping so that we can just go through the products together. I also went on the website because this book that comes with it is truly a fantastic, it's like a magazine. In the front of it, they tell you everything that's going to be in the actual box and with some information on it, but no pricing. So I went on the website just to see if there was any pricing there, and there was. I'm assuming the pricing on the website would not be US dollars, but I think it is. So I wanted to share that with you and put that little bit out there. As you go through the book, they have other information. That's why I said it's like a magazine about turmeric, how to fake a facelift, what's coming up, everything. This is like over the top. And like I said, for those type of dollars where if you sign up for the year and the $1 for the first box and each additional box is $16, I think this is an absolute win. All right, okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go through I'm so excited, go through the box, and we're gonna go at page by page. So the first thing that's in here is a sample size, and this is what the product looks like here. And it's from this brand called Filorga. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I truly apologize. It says it is a one-of-a-kind age purifying serum that tackles both blemishes and wrinkles all at once. It is a totally unique formula This serum protects against external aggressors and reduces the appearance of imperfection. It has niacinamide, sweet almond oil, citric acid, and glycolic acid. And they're simply saying how to use this: massage it into the face and neck after cleansing. And that is the little sample size here. Let's open it up and see what the consistency is. So I don't think there was a safety seal on here, but that's what that looks like here. There is no real scent to this. And let me just do a little bit, yeah. It sinks right into the skin, and that's what it looks like there. The next item in here was this packet, and this is a potent eye serum mask. It's enriched with liposome technology to reduce the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness, used for an instantly brighter under eye area that feels refreshed and radiant. It has collagen, chamomile, cucumber, and vitamin C. And it says how to use it: remove from the packet, place under your eyes, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until your eyes feel refreshed. So it's simply an under eye pad. So there's probably 2 in here, and this is the brand. Really excited. These are really brands that I'm getting introduced to, but the next one is one of my favorite brands. And this is the one called Ahava, and this is a smoothing body lotion. This is a fantastic, fantastic brand. It says this is a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods like kale and turmeric to moisturize your skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects skin from premature aging while it is smoothing and deeply nourishing. Massage a generous amount into your slightly damp skin post-bath or shower. So this one here had this product inside here. I don't think there was a safety seal on this either. Let me just show you what this looks like here. And the one that we got today in the box, oh, it's such a nice fragrance. It has kale and turmeric. So this is really, really nice. Like I said, this is I love their hand cream, their body lotions. This brand is a brand that's out of Israel, and it is one that is such a luxurious brand. I'm so excited for everyone who's getting this box, so they're going to have an opportunity to try this brand. The next one here is from Ciate, London. Another one that is a favorite of mine, and I'm going to show you because I'm not going to take the one out of the box. It came in this little box here. This is from my stash. I have purchased these in the past, and I have the one here that is in the color that is in the box. So that's going to go into my little gift area for save for later. So this one is get a natural flush color and glow with this marble illuminating blusher with a lightweight finish. It's ideal for any no makeup looks, being buildable for something more full coverage. Swirl your favorite blush brush into the product, tap off the excess, swirl onto the cheeks. It says they have some other tips further on in the book, but this is what this looks like here. And it's very similar to the Hourglass. And I was so impressed with this that when I received a larger one in one of my boxes, when I saw it available through another box in add-ons, I picked them up in every other color. So let me take this one here because this is the color that you guys will be receiving. That's what it looks like there. And I'll just do, oh, I might have too much cream on my hands. I'll do it like that over there. That's what it looks like there. It is so beautiful. It is such a refreshing color. It just gives you that luminosity and blush all at the same time. It is so, so beautiful. So excited that I'm gonna have an extra one in my gifts for later. All right, this is the next item here. And I'm a bathtub girl, so for me, this is such a win. This is, it says it's from this brand called Bubble Tea Bath and Body. It says, take your bath to new heights of relaxation and scent with this super sweet bubble tea bath fizzer. It is a perfect self-care night edition, leaving you feeling revitalized and restored. They're saying it is paraben free. It has citric acid, Chinese fruit extract, and it says simply drop under warm water and watch it fizz away. Soak for as long as required. And that is what this looks like here. And this is huge, that's in here. This is the size of the bag. And if I fold it, it's larger than half the size of the bag. I am so, so excited to have the opportunity to get that. And then the final item that is in here, it says it is a polyester fiber cloth, specially designed to quickly and effectively remove the product residue from the skin surface. Its fibers don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean after use and aren't rough on the skin, so don't cause any unnecessary irritation. You wet the cloth with warm water and cover your face until your skin feels flushed. Using circular motions, cleanse the skin in circular motions, and it's reusable and it's also machine washable. So that's everything that's in the box. So we're just gonna go through quickly so that you will know some values here. So They're saying that this is going to be worth over $87. And they're saying this is the Get Prepped into the Best Way for All Your Summer Plans with their August Togetherness Beauty Box. So this is the August box. It says it's here to celebrate all things coming together. This month's box is filled with 6 products to help you feel your best, and it's worth over $87. And that's that. So that's everything here. What we got in here was a 0.23 fluid ounce, and they're saying a 7 ml would be worth $23.38. The sheet mask, they're saying, is a $14 value. The Ahava body lotion for the 40 ml, they're saying, let's see what this is here. Yeah, this is a 40 ml. They're saying this is worth about $5. The Ciate London, the large one, is a $26 value. The Bubble Tea Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer, and I didn't even tell you that's what is in here. It's Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. This is worth $6.90. And then the Glov, G-L-O-V mask remover, they're saying is worth $12.30. I think these are very unique products, a brand that I'm familiar with, another brand that I'm already enjoying, and then being introduced to a new brand, a new brand, a new brand, as well as another new brand to me. So I think this is a winning box. I think the deal that they're offering is fantastic. If you're already getting Look Fantastic, please share it with me in the comments down below. Also, if you're familiar with any of the products that I've mentioned, also please share them in the comments down below. But like I said, if you're not, I think this is an absolute deal. It is for you guys, so I want to make sure that if you're interested, simply grab that link that they gave me and you'll be all set. But definitely make sure to read everything that you're comfortable with, and any questions you have, their customer service is fantastic. I had some questions and they answered everything quickly, and I was really, really impressed with this. So I'm really happy to have the opportunity to welcome Look Fantastic to Truewants and enabling me to share it with all of you. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon on my next video. Bye for now.